Hi friends, if you are looking for a clean design blog theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have a very clear design WordPress theme called Storyteller. This theme can be used as a blog theme or either a travel blog theme or a general blog theme, and it has a very to the point look and clear and design. In this video, we are going to install this Storyteller WordPress theme. The Storyteller is a narrative WordPress blog theme, and it has been developed by Mayor Themes, and Mayor Themes are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. It has very basic and to the point features, and you can present your ideas and stories to the world with Mayor Storytellers, a minimalistic content-centric theme with a strong accent on typography and photography. This is the introduction of this theme, and this theme was built with writers and photographers in mind, and so it is really simple to set up and get going. Just follow the short user guide, and I am showing you all this how to install the Storyteller WordPress theme along with the demo content in this video. Let us begin the installation. For this, I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the latest version of WordPress is installed with 2021 WordPress theme, the default theme. And I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have demo content, licensing, changelog, documentation, how to update, and the theme file, storyteller.zip. Let us begin the installation. For this, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose storyteller.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same. It will save some time. However, both activities are same. Either you can upload from the WordPress interface or you can directly upload on the server. The theme size, file size is very small. It is a lightweight theme. The size is 4.30, and this is why it works very fast on the website, and you are going to get a lightning speed website with this theme, and the blog having speed is having a chance to get more successful in the web. So speed is always a prime factor for choosing and deciding any theme. This is why I recommend this theme. Let it get uploaded. And once the progress bar completes 100 and turns green, we have to wait for turning it into green. And I am using the Linux hosting, so be sure that you are using a correct hosting plan. And once it turns green, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Mayor Storyteller folder in which we got all the theme components, folder and files. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. And now go to the theme section of WordPress And now we have Storyteller as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Storyteller version 1.5. It is a blogging theme. Activate it now. And upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins. At this stage, we are going to install the plugins, and these are the list of plugins required for running this theme. 2 are required: ACF, Advanced Custom Fields Pro, and Storyteller Gallery. Rest 3 are recommended. I am installing all the plugins in one go. Selected plugins in one go. I am leaving the Jetpack for the time being. We can install it on later stage. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And now plugins has been installed. We will activate the selected one. And now all the required plugins has been installed along with the theme. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks. This is the basic look of Storyteller WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And now we need to import the demo content for making a target website like this. And this is going to be our target website. And this theme does not provide any one-click demo import, and we have to import the demo content manually using the tools available at WordPress. Go to the tools section, click on import, and install the WordPress importer. Run importer, and choose file. In the demo content folder, we have 2 demos available. One is for older version of WordPress, and another is for latest version. We will use the latest one. Upload file and import. And here we need to assign the author for the demo content. Click on download and import file attachments and hit on submit. It will take a bit time because it is going to download the necessary files from the developer's server, and we have to be here. Don't try to leave or refresh this page, it may break the process. And you will reach on this screen once the demo content is successfully imported. All done, have fun. And now we can check our website. And now we have the target website, and the demo images has not been provided in the demo content, but it is really not required. After all, we are going to use our own image, and rest things are here. And the theme is working very fast. As I told you, it works very fast, and it is loading in blinks. And these are the gallery. So everything is fine in this installation process. And now I'll show you the theme options. These are the theme options available in this theme: the accent color, logo to use, and the rest of things are here, and nothing additional has been given, and actually that is also not required. Basic feature are here only, and this theme requires only the basic feature as it is a simple and clean design WordPress theme. And in this activity we got it installed successfully, And if you have any question regarding this theme, you can definitely write in the comment section of this video. I'll try to help you out. And I'm also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme, and even the hosting if you need that. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring wonderful videos, useful plugins for you. Thanks for watching.